Hello, Manuela, good morning.
Good morning.
Aaron, you're using two gadgets.
Yes, teacher.
You're using two gadgets?
No, I'm using browser and Zoom.
Okay. Because I'm seeing Aaron Asante, then Aaron Asante again. Aaron, which unit are you covering? Aaron, which unit are you covering? Aaron, can I hear you speak?
Yes, teacher.
Which unit are you covering, my dear?
I am in the beginning.
Which one? Which one are you covering in the beginning?
Geography.
I beg your pardon, please.
Geography.
Aaron, I didn't hear the last part of your word. Can you say it again? Manuela, which unit are you covering? Manuela? Unmute your microphone and speak, Manuela. Manuela, can you hear me? Manuela has gone off. Aaron, can you hear me? Aaron, unmute your microphone and speak. Hello, can you hear me? Hello? Aaron, can you hear me?
Yes, teacher.
Hello. Aaron.
Teacher.
Can you hear me now?
Yes, teacher.
Okay. Tell me about the unit you're covering. Which unit is it?
See, there's a unit before fractions called geography. There's a unit there.
Geometry.
Yes, geometry.
You're covering geometry.
Yes.
So what have you learned there? Can you share with me what you've learned about geometry? Aaron, unmute your microphone. Aaron, what have you learned about geometry? Did you see the shapes?
Yes, teacher.
Yeah, because geometry is about shapes. So I want you to name some shapes you learned there, some shapes you saw.
Triangle, rectangle, square, trapezoid, parallelogram, trapezoid, rhombus.
Okay. So can you describe some of these shapes here? You tell us what makes them different. Like for you, there is something that makes you different from any other person, yes? Like you'll say, no, Aaron is like this. When you see Aaron is like this. He puts on like this. And you don't find any other person who looks like Aaron. So I want you to tell me a shape and tell me how it looks like. You tell me something that makes it different from the other. Aaron, can you hear me now?
Yes, teacher.
Okay. We are going to start with a circle, yes? Let me share my whiteboard. I draw a circle here. Can you spell the word circle, Aaron?
C-I-R-C-L.
C-O?
C-I.
Okay, the word circle, Aaron, is spelled as C-I-R.
What I did not spell. I never said O.
What did you say?
C-I-R-C-L-E.
Good. So this is the word circle, yes? Manuela, this is the spelling of the word circle. And a circle is round. A circle is round. There are very many things that have this shape here. For example, a tire. What else has this shape?
A plate.
I can't hear you.
A plate.
A plate. Good. So some plates are round, some others have different shapes. What else? Which other?
Good afternoon.
How are you, Nura? Thank you for joining. Nura, we are looking at, because Asante is covering geometry, so we are going through geometry slowly. And we've begun by describing some of the shapes. We are looking at a circle. Can you give me any other object that has that shape of a circle? We said a tire. We also have an orange.
A cover.
A cover. A bottle top.
Yes.
Okay. That one, the round bottle top, yeah. The bottle top can have that shape there. We also have, do you know balls? The balls also have that shape. Yes?
Plus tomatoes.
Yeah, tomatoes, good. What else has this shape here? Which other object? Yes? Manuela, enable your mic, unmute your mic, then you can speak. Then let us see another shape. Asante, which other shape did you see there?
Square.
A square. Let me draw it here. A square has 4 sides, and all the sides of a square are equal. All the sides of a square are equal. When you move along around it, each side is equal to each other. Yes, that's all about a square. Sides. Who can spell for us square? Nura, can you spell square? Nura, spell a square.
Square.
Yes.
Square.
SQ. A-R-E. So one thing when we are spelling, yes, we don't repeat the letters. You say the letter once. When you say it twice, it means that letter is appearing the other time, okay? So when you're spelling Nura, next time, you say each letter once. So when you're spelling, you said SQ, S, again you said U, then you cancelled it, then you said SQ, U-A-R-E. Now you find that you repeated these letters, so that makes your word wrong, yes? So when you're spelling, you say the word square, you spell, don't repeat any letter unless it is repeated, then you say the word one more time, okay? So Nura, can you spell it one more time without repeating any letter? Nura?
Yes, teacher.
Spell the word square again.
Square. S-Q-U-A-R-E.
Wow, this is very nice. So my friends, this is the word square. That's how we spell it. A square has 4 sides and all the sides are equal. That's why they put there those sticks there you're seeing. They mean that all this one here, they are equal. There are not these things that, oh, this part is long, this one is short. For a square, all the sides are equal. So let's move to another shape. Someone to give us a shape, we describe it.
A trapezium.
That one, we are not going to look at it at our level. Just we put it there so that we can know that it exists, but I don't want us to have it. Let us first have these common shapes for us, okay? But thank you.
A triangle.
Yeah, we have a triangle. So let me draw a triangle here. We talk about a triangle. A triangle, we can draw it like this. We can also have it like this. This one is also a triangle. We can also have it like this. So there are very many triangles. So whenever you meet any of these, just know that they are triangles, okay? Who can spell for us the word triangle? Let me see. Manuela, spell for us triangle.
Triangle. T-R-I-A-N-G-E-L. Triangle.
Wow, that is Manuela. Manuela, thank you. Aaron, is this triangle? Manuela.
Teacher, I'm done.
Okay, Manuela, thank you. Okay, the spelling of triangle. We write triangle. Nura sent it here. Nura, thank you so much. So Manuela, this is how we spell the word triangle. It is T-R-I-A-N-G-L-E. Triangle. But this one is triangle. So you need to start with letter L comes before E. Manuela and our other friends, that's the spelling of triangle. This one is wrong. Is there anything that has the triangular shape that looks like a triangle?
A set material.
Yeah. We have that set ruler that is triangular. Yes, thank you so much. What else? Do you eat samosas?
Yes.
Huh?
Yes.
Yeah. Do you know that a samosa has the triangular shape?
Yes.
What else? Is there any other thing? I've never seen a pizza when they cut it like this.
Yes.
I've never seen a pizza when it's like this.
Yes.
Then they give you this piece here, so they serve you this.
Triangle. Yes.
That's a triangle. So therefore, you find that we meet shapes everywhere. When you move around, when you do what, you meet shapes, okay? Then we also have another shape here. Who can give us another shape we can talk about? Let me draw a shape here, okay. Oh, let me draw it again. Let me draw it again.
Oval.
Which shape is that?
An oval.
No.
It's an oval. Who can spell for us oval? Aaron?
The boy is interested. That's it. The answer is the boy is interested in dancing.
Yes, very good. The boy is interested in.
Who's spelling oval for us? Nura, spell.
Oval. O-V-A-L. Oval.
Wow. Thank you so much, Nora. That one is called an oval. Who has ever seen, who knows, who has ever come across any object that has the oval shape?
An egg.
Wow, thank you. An egg, what else?
Teacher, I'm done noting all the work for geometry. Let's move on to fractions.
Yes, please.
Done noting all of the work for geometry. Move to fractions.
That's Asante. No, we are still going through geometry because we want to do the assignment there.
Teacher, okay.
Not given in the brackets. I don't like children who break what, like, and feel what break properly. Use the correct or the word given in the brackets. Thank you.
Manuela, there is a lot of noise in your background. Please mute your microphone.
Is a good price for
Manuela, first mute your microphone. There is a lot of noise behind there. We've said that we have an egg that has the oval shape. We also have a pawpaw. Who has ever seen a pawpaw?
Chami, have ever seen a pawpaw?
Yeah, a pawpaw also has the oval shape. So there are very many shapes. So that is Asante, covered shapes. And Asante, let me wait for the assignment. You attempt that assignment about geometry.
I'm trying to do the assignment, but it keeps saying server offline.
Oh, no, there was just a little problem, but you're going to try again so that you can attempt the assignment.
Okay, teacher.
So what about, that's the unit that Asante is covering. So what about Nura? Which unit are you covering?
fractions.
Nura, can I hear that, please?
Fractions. And I need more help.
Okay. So which part of fractions exactly do you need help on?
Mixed fractions.
Mixed fractions, okay. What about Manuela?
This what? I had mixed fractions.
Manuela, which unit are you covering?
Multiplication.
So for fractions, Asante, there is something you wanted about fractions, and I'm going to start now. May I know, please, what you really needed about fractions, Asante?
I don't understand.
Asante, you were suggesting that we, geometry is okay. You were suggesting that we look at fractions. So I wanted to know which area within fractions do you want me to discuss about?
Geometry.
It's okay, let me start with Nura. Nura says she has a challenge with mixed fractions. Nura, when they talk about mixed fractions, this is how it is written. This is how they write the word mixed.
Okay.
Mixed fractions. When they talk about mixed fractions,
Last one. To go to that unit.
What?
I never started mathematics.
when they talk about mixed fractions, they mean a fraction that has both a whole number and a proper fraction. So that number then, a mixed fraction, one example will be like 3 whole numbers and a half. So if a mixed fraction has both a whole number it has a whole number and a fraction and a proper fraction. So whenever they talk about a mixed fraction, this is what they simply mean: a fraction with a number, a whole number, and a fraction, a proper fraction. Can I have some examples of mixed fractions? Nura, can I identify one example at least?
Okay.
Nura, don't send in the message. You speak.
32.
You're supposed to say 32. You identify the whole number by saying 3 whole number, 32 whole number, a quarter, 4 and a quarter.
3 whole number. 33 for whole numbers. 4 out of 5.
Wow, thank you so much. So you see that Nura has given us the whole number and a fraction. So that's what they mean by mixed fractions. You'll meet very many fractions of this kind. You just need to be aware of what a mixed fraction is. A fraction, and it has 2 parts, a fraction and a whole number. Which type of fraction is put with the mixed fraction? A proper fraction. And I'm sure we all know the proper fraction, the improper. We know what they all mean. Any other?
Another example.
Nura, is that all you wanted help on?
And I had a problem with adding.
Addition, we shall schedule another engagement, okay? Then we learn how to add and subtract and multiply. Aaron, is there anything you would want me to talk about under fractions, apart from addition and subtraction? Manuela, anything?
Yes.
Yes, tell me, Manuela. Unmute your microphone, Manuela, and speak. Tell me.
Multiplication.
Or fractions. Yeah, multiplication of fractions, that one we are going to schedule another engagement because it needs time. We don't need to rush into it. So just be waiting. We shall schedule and have it. Asante, anything?
Mama. Oh, Mama.
Asante, anything?
Mama. Oh, Mama. Thank you, teacher.
You're welcome. I wish you a nice day. Bye-bye.
Bye.
I'll be letting you know when we are meeting again.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
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 Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Thank you, teacher
Bye.
Lynndah.
Thank you
Have a
for
nice
attending.
day.
Likewise.
Goodbye.